one day to build a business that I thought operated really ethically and quite differently. And so then, late 2019, I came across the concept of Just Add Water cleaning solutions and discovered that 97% plus of our cleaning products are made up of water. So just transporting around that water, contributing to emissions. We throw out that plastic bottle, contributing to the plastic epidemic. But what I also didn't know is that the 3% of actives are often comprised of carcinogens, allergens, and/or sensitizers. And the industry's been able to get away with this because it's highly unregulated. So I guess, once I knew that and knew that there was a different model for cleaning products, I thought this is a great idea, something that I could make, that I would use, combined with my passion for doing business better. So they kind of two came together, and I thought, well, let's go do this. I'm going to go make this product and build a purpose-led business while doing so. I was looking for a firm that was really proactive in making sure that we were on top of things. I wanted someone who was more strategic as well, like strategic accounting planning, like thinking forward, not just really reactive. Most people aren't tax experts or accounting experts, and so that's what I expect from an accounting provider. How we chose SRJ, again, I use B Corp principles around procurement and suppliers to help guide decision making there. So the first one is we look as locally as possible to find a supplier. And then the other criteria we really look for, so diversity, it was lovely to see with SRJ, lots of representation from a diverse set of people, and particularly women. I think that's quite clear. The final one was meeting Katrina. It was really clear that SRJ does operate like a partner.
Congratulations to the 2021 Sunshine Coast Business Awards winners.
Winner of the retail category, Small Business.
Pleasant State.
So since shipping our product in March this year, we've saved over 35,000 plastic bottles from ever being made and going to landfill.
And so, it was a pretty easy decision, actually.